One of the biggest complaints people have about the Glowforge is the noise. When I did my review video several months back, I said that my biggest rub with the Glowforge was the noise. But thankfully, it doesn't have to be that way, and I would love to show you how you can turn your loud exhaust fans into soothing white noise. These fans by AC Infinity are very quiet, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn the fans in the Glowforge off and allow this fan to remove the exhaust instead. But first, we need to understand what this setting is and how it works. For months I wondered what this setting actually did, but since I didn't have the filter, I just chose not to touch it. Well, it turns out this button turns your exhaust fans off. And technically it doesn't turn them off, it just turns them down really low so you can barely hear them. And the reason why it does that is because the Glowforge air filter actually has its own fan inside which pulls the exhaust out. So instead of having the Glowforge fans push the exhaust out, we're going to turn those off and have an external fan pull the exhaust out. So all we have to do is flip this button and hook up our external fan. Now, technically you can run your machine that way, just having that filter button checked on without having an external fan hooked up and have quiet prints, but you're going to be generating a lot of smoke and it's going to start seeping out these joints. The inside of your machine is going to get really dirty really fast, and it's also going to get a lot warmer on the inside and overheat and need more time to cool down. I would know because I've tried running lots of prints this way before I got my external fan. Now there's a lot of different fan options out there, and if you're not sure what fan to get, you can check out my other video, What Fan to Get, which will be coming out in a couple weeks. Alright, how about we do some noise comparison? Also, take note on how fast or how slow the smoke clears out of the unit. Here's the regular noise we're used to. Here's the fans turned off with no external fan hooked up. Here's the fans turned off with my inline fan hooked up at half speed. Here's the fans turned off with my inline fan hooked up at full speed. Well, that's it for now, my friends. I hope this video was a help to you. If you're looking for a better way to secure your exhaust hose to your Glowforge, you can pick up one of these exhaust port extensions in the descriptions below. I've been making these for about 5 months now, and I've been amazed at how much you guys have been liking them. Also, I just came out with this 6-inch to 4-inch reducer specifically designed for the 6-inch AC Infinity fan. It fits like a glove, and it looks really clean too, which I like. These will be coming out in Amazon in the next couple weeks, so you can check back for that. And if you like these videos, feel free to hit that subscribe button, which will motivate me to make more of them. So, as always, happy Glowforging.